Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add your logo for your website on Shopify. Now, you can use Shopify for many different things. Mainly, you're going to be using it to make an online storefront, and every storefront does require a logo. Now, to get your logo on here, it won't be here by default, but you can freely add it in the website or the front-end editor, which is very easily accessible. What you're going to want to do to access it is go to online store under sales channels, then go into themes. It should get you here by default, and you'll see the theme you're currently using. Dawn is the default theme. So once you're here, you're going to go ahead and click on customize. Now, I don't have any logo on hand at the current moment, so I won't be uploading anything, but I will be showing you where you can find the option to upload. Once you're on your site editor, you're going to go ahead to the left and go to theme settings. And here, pretty much the first option is the logo option. You just click here, and as you can see, you can set up your logo as well as the fav icon. Fav icons are the little icons which appear next to the URL of the site that you're searching for on the search engine. So for example, if you go to Google and search for Facebook, you'll see the result as Facebook. You'll see the button, and above it or below it, you will see www.facebook.com or whatever. And next to it, you'll see a small icon of your site. That is the fav icon, and you can set up both over here. Now, the fav icon needs to be scaled down to 32 by 32 if it is a larger image. And you can set up the desktop logo with however much you want, from 50 to 300 pixels. I'll select 300. Now you can do a couple of different things. You can select an image from your computer and you can upload it here, as well as for the fav icon. Pretty much the both icons are set up in the same way. You can explore free images which you can freely access, or you can go ahead and click and connect a dynamic source. For both, dynamic sources are sources which, when they change, they'll automatically be updated on your Shopify site, so you don't need to go ahead and add them every time you change it. As you can see, you can search for default logo, square logo, or a cover image, for example, default logo. And as you can see, you can edit the brand here, and it'll open up the admin, and it's gonna ask you to enter a logo right over here. As you can see, you have the default and the square. You just upload your images here, and that will set up the dynamic, what's it called, source. And yeah, that is basically how you set up your logo. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.